Hello, welcome to Anita the Pedagogue channel. Let's move on to the themes of From Long Distance by Tony Harrison. Our first theme, the lasting nature of love. One of the central themes of the poem is the enduring nature of love, particularly in the face of death. Harrison illustrates this through the father's actions, such as warming his deceased wife's slippers and placing hot water bottles by his side of the bed. These acts are infused with deep personal significance, revealing the father's refusal to let go of his wife completely. The phrase "still raw love" stresses the intensity of the father's feelings, suggesting that love does not diminish with death. Instead, it transforms into an emotional longing. Harrison also uses the speaker's desire and hope for keeping the disconnected number to show how one's love for the deceased can keep you in an illusion of hope. Harrison demonstrated lasting love in the presence of loss. This juxtaposition emphasizes the idea that love persists as a comforting presence even when the loved one is physically absent. The emotional weight of the father's love serves as a testament to the bonds that endure beyond death. Let's move on now to the theme grief. Grief is another key theme that permeates the poem. Presented as a complex experience, the speaker's father embodies this complexity as he grapples with his emotions while attempting to maintain a normal appearance. The line "you couldn't just drop in, you had to phone" highlights the isolation that often accompanies mourning. The father's need to prepare himself before a visit reflects the societal stigma surrounding open expressions of grief, suggesting that vulnerability is viewed as a weakness. Harrison employs irony to deepen the theme of grief. The father's hope that his wife will return, exemplified in the line "he knew she had just popped out to get the tea," illustrates a denial that is both comforting and sad. This hope stands in blunt contrast to the speaker's belief that life ends with death, showcasing the two opposing attitudes of the speaker and his father in coping with grief. The complexities of grief are portrayed as a universal experience, but everyone navigates their path in a different way. Let's look at the theme, the role of memory. Memory plays a crucial role in the poem, serving as a bridge between the past and the present. Throughout From Long Distance, the speaker reflects on memories of his parents, illustrating how these recollections shape his understanding of loss. The mention of the disconnected number in the speaker's phone book symbolizes the persistence of memory even in the absence of physical presence. This imagery sums up the struggle between moving on and holding on to the past, highlighting the difficulty of reconciling memories with reality. Harrison's use of imagery reinforces the theme of memory's power. The vivid descriptions of the father's routine create a sensory experience that immerses readers in the emotional landscape of grief. The phrase "I believe life ends with death and that is all" stands in contrast to the father's hopeful memories, revealing the tension between acceptance and longing. This reinforces the idea that memories can both comfort and haunt, serving as a reminder of what has been lost while simultaneously keeping the deceased alive in the hearts of those left behind. This brings us to the end of our discussion of the themes. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until I come your way again, keep learning and be the best version of yourself.